Hello everyone, it's Sreyo of Hello Sreyo. My family is such that it cannot end a day without having something sweet like a dessert after dinner. And due to this, my mother and I have to come up with a variety of dishes that are hassle-free, quick and tasty. One of which is a bread pudding that I came up with a few days back. I call it the lazy bread pudding. Well, because there's no work needed in this. It's quick, easy, tasty and done within an hour. You can serve this in a get-together or any party that you're organizing. Works just fine. Anybody who knows me knows it very well that the business is serious when this girl ties her hair up. For this pudding we will need a baking dish and we'll do all the work over there. Remember, you are lazy and you don't want piled up dishes for this. So in a baking dish we'll need 2 eggs. Now whisk them good. It does not need to be frothy, just simple whisking will work fine because this dish is effortless, so you need to channel your inner laziness in every step. When you are done whisking, now take a glass of milk and add any flavored jam or jelly you like. I have green apple with me today, but I give you the choice for your pudding. Now mix it properly and pour it in the baking dish. The same process will repeat with another cup of milk. So basically for 2 eggs you'll need 2 cups. Now whisk them up again and this time adding a big spoon of vanilla essence. Vanilla makes everything so good. It's a classic. Now when your whisking is done, grab your leftover bread and tear them up randomly. Now if you want your bread pudding to be firm, add 4 slices of bread, and if you want it to be soft and jiggly, add 3. I like mine jiggly, so I am adding 3 over here. Now keep it here to rest for 10 to 15 minutes until the bread soaks everything up, and then it will pop in the oven on convection at 250 degrees C for around 20 to 25 minutes. After this, there's nothing much left to do but just for you to wait and have patience. Patience is hard, and who knows it better than me? Now when it's cooled down completely, it's time to check. Do you see how jiggly this is? Yes, this is what I was talking about. Now in it add the same jelly or jam which you had used earlier as a dressing on top of the bread pudding. This pudding is silky smooth and will melt in your mouth. It's hassle-free, tastes $1,000,000. Try it out and let me know. That's all for today. I hope you loved the video, and if you did, do like and subscribe. I'll see you again in next week. Till then, take care. Bye.